The crossbody lead is the most important step in salsa for switching places. We can lead all kinds of different combinations with our hands when using the crossbody lead steps. Without the crossbody lead, we step into the front, side open, then stepping in place, back on the line and forwards. And now with the music. Turn around and we start with one basic front to back. 1, 2, 3, and now crossbody lead starting to the front. Let's go. Front, side, open, in place, back on the line and forwards again. Front, side, open, in place, back on the line and forwards, basic. Let's do it again. 2 times crossbody lead. Starting to the front. Let's go. Front, side, open, clearing the line, stepping in place, back on the line and forwards again to the front. Front, side, open, clearing the line, in place, back on the line and forwards, basic. Doing great. Last time slow. 2 times crossbody lead. Let's go to the front. Front, side, open, clearing the line, in place, back on the line and forwards again. Front, side, open, in place, back on the line and full speed, 1 basic. 1, 2, 3, crossbody lead 2 times. Go. Front, side, open and back on the line again. Front, side, open and back on the line, basic. 1. And let's do it again, crossbody lead. Front, side, open and back on the line again. Front, side, open and back on the line, basic. 1. And let's go again, last time. Front, side, open and back on the line again. Front, side, open and back on the line, basic. And now we'll do the crossbody lead step and then a back basic. Turn around and let's do it together. Starting with basic to the front. Front, in place. Back and let's do the crossbody lead and the back basic. Let's go to the front. Front, side, open, in place, back on the line and forwards. Now back basic. Back, in place, together. Now with the right, back, in place, together. And a basic. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. Crossbody lead and a back basic. Let's go to the front. Front, side, open, in place, back on the line and forwards. Now back basic. Back, in place, together. Make sure to step on the balls of your feet. Yes, and a basic. Let's go. Now last time slow. Crossbody lead and a back basic. Let's go to the front. Front, side, open, clearing the line, in place, back on the line and forwards. Now back basic. Back, in place, together with the right and full speed. 1 basic. Let's go. Front, 2, 3. Let's go. Crossbody lead. Front, side, open and back basic. Back, together, back, together, basic. Let's go again, crossbody lead and a back step. Let's go. Front, side, open and back basic. Go. Back, together and basic. Go. Front and crossbody lead and a back basic. Go. Front, side, open and back basic. Back, together, back, together, basic. And now slow again, basic to the front. 2, 3. And let's do crossbody lead and a back basic. Let's go. Front, side, open, in place, back on the line and forwards, back basic. Back, in place, together now with the right and crossbody lead. Let's go. Front, side, open, clearing the line, in place, back on the line and forwards, back basic. back, in place, together. Now with the right, and again, crossbody lead, no basic, let's go. Front, side, open, last time slow, in place, back on the line, and forwards, back basic, back, in place, together, and get ready for full speed, one basic. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Crossbody lead and back basic. Front, side, open, and back basic. Back, together, and crossbody lead. Front, side, open, and back basic. Back, together, and crossbody lead. Go. Front, side, open, and back basic. Back, together, back, together. Yes, and thank you very much for joining me. And now, practice leading without a partner by combining the steps with your hands in these simple salsa combinations.